Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chanel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of all motorhomes, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. If you're dreaming of the perfect combination of luxury and performance on the road, this might just be the vehicle you've been waiting for. Let's take a closer look. Motorhome details. Under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth W900 is built on the legendary W900 truck chassis, offering a heavy-duty foundation for long hauls and smooth rides. It's powered by a robust diesel engine, with options that range up to 600 horsepower, ensuring you have all the strength and reliability you need. Exterior. On the outside, the W900 Motorhome is a head-turner. Its classic Kenworth design blends retro style with modern, sleek lines. With custom paint jobs, chrome accents, and an aerodynamic profile, it's not only built for performance but also boasts some serious road presence. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious cabin that's truly home on wheels. The interior features high-end leather seating, state-of-the-art appliances, and plenty of storage. With a spacious lounge area, full kitchen, and a master bedroom with panoramic windows, you won't miss any of the comforts of home. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the W900 nails it. The suspension is designed to give you a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads. Inside, it's equipped with climate control, heated flooring, and a cozy, yet stylish living space that makes every road trip feel like a 5-star vacation. Performance. On the road, the W900 excels. Whether you're tackling mountain passes or cruising the highway, its powerful engine, air ride suspension, and advanced braking system offer a smooth, stable, and responsive drive. And with a 7,000 pounds towing capacity, you're ready for any adventure. Conclusion. So, if you're in the market for a luxury motorhome that can deliver performance, comfort, and style, the 2025 Kenworth W900 is a top contender. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey every mile of the way. If you're ready to hit the road in style, the W900 might be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome reviews.